Today I'm inside the new Toyota Corolla GR Sport, and I want to show you the multimedia system. The new multimedia system from Toyota is not the 2023 multimedia system that will come on the facelift, but is the one that it's actually today, that you can buy it and you can have it on the new Corolla cars and on the new Toyota cars in general. So let me start here with the, actually let's start with the cockpit, or let's start with the head-up display, guys. This is the head-up display that Toyota uses today, at least on this Corolla. They come with this beautiful, I should say, head-up display that is directly on the windshield, and it's not on a plastic like in other cars, and it has good resolution, good visibility there, and a lot of information. You can see that you have also the direction on the navigation, you have the traffic speed limit sign information, and also you have the speed limit and all kind of information, and also the visibility from the driver point of view. It's great. In general, the visibility and the position of driving, it's very good in Toyota cars, and very easy to reach out to different buttons here. Also, they use a physical button on the steering wheel, and it's super easy to use. Now the cockpit, guys, this is the cockpit before the facelift, fully digital cockpit, and of course it's quite simple. You can see different information right there in the middle. For example, right now you can see kind of the energy flow and how much battery the car still have. You can see the settings here and all the settings for the different safety features of the car. You can turn it on and off, and you can see the lane assist, the emergency brake, the blind spot technology, the parking sensors, also the reading traffic speed limit, the head-up display you can turn off and on from here. So all the settings, you find it here, very easy to reach them out. Here are all the errors. If the car will have any errors, will appear here. Here is the consumption and how many kilometers you can still drive with the car. Here also some information about how you drive eco and what happened with the energy. It's powering, it's charging, it's on eco mode and stuff like that. And then you have the lane assist and all that autopilot information, and also you have the audio information right there, and you can see also right now a nice graphic. On the left side you have also the RPM, and on the right side you have information about how much gas and the temperature of the engine. Other than that, quite simple, nothing crazy, nothing complicated there. Now let's go here in the middle to the multimedia system. And Toyota in the last years really improved this multimedia system in terms of responsiveness. It's not so customizable as you find it in a Volkswagen or Mercedes or BMW, but I love the fact that it's very responsive. It's very easy to change different things here. So the screen, it's a kind of a glossy matte screen. I don't know how combination between them. And you can see right here, if you set a destination, for example, you can see how easy and how fast it's just loading the new destination, and this is a really good thing. So you can see,
the
press
route
go.
guidance will start now.
It's just 1-2
In 600
seconds.
meters, right turn onto motor.
You can see how fast it is. In 1-2 seconds, it's just calculating the route and it sends you there in just no time. So from this point of view, great job. Also great new navigation and very responsive screen. So I like that very much. Easiness to use. That's the big point of it. Then you go to here, you have some shortcut buttons on the left side. You go to media, enable audio here, then you go to phone. I also have a separate video on how to connect your Android phone or your iPhone with this multimedia, so check out on the channel. Then you go here to the consumption. Very simple. You can see all the information here about the consumption in the last kilometers. You go here to the apps. You can see the web browsing, because the car is connected to the internet. You can also browse the internet a little bit, and also the notification. And here are all the settings of the car. You have here like personal information, Bluetooth and device. Here you can connect them. Then you have also the general settings. You can change the date and time, the keyboards, language and units. Very simple. You can also access all those things. Wi-Fi, display, sound and media. Also here you have all the settings of the sound system. This car comes with JBL sound system, very good sound system, by the way, on the car. Then you go back to navigation settings. Here you have all the settings of the navigation, so you can change different settings here. Voice and search here. You can also choose how you like to have it. Vehicle customization, those are the lights, the doors, control, custom drive mode, powertrain, chassis, depends how you want to have it. You can change it from here. Also, this is really interesting because you can change from here different driving feeling. And then you have also, for example, the dealer information, info and security, and also software update. Sometimes the car will do updates. So in general, this is all, guys. It's very simple and it's very practical in my opinion. So I guess I show you everything. If you still have questions, ask me down below, whatever you want to ask. Also, if you want to see the new multimedia system that will come on Toyota next year, stay close, click the subscribe button to see notification when that video will come out. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.